Have you ever wondered what happens at Santa's workshop right after Christmas? We all know that Santa and his team work very hard, leading up to Christmas Eve, getting everything ready for that special night. But what happens once all the gifts have been delivered? Let's take a surprising journey into the North Pole to find out. After Santa returns from his long night traveling around the world, the first thing he and the elves do is rest. They have worked nonstop to make sure children everywhere receive their presents on time. So, the day after Christmas, everyone in Santa's workshop takes a much-needed break. You might imagine Santa relaxing with a cup of hot cocoa by a cozy fire. The elves probably spend their day playing games, reading books, or simply catching up on some sleep. Once they've had their well-deserved rest, it's back to work, but in a very different way. You see, the holidays at Santa's workshop are not only about making toys. The elves spend time tidying up the workshop and organizing leftover materials. This helps them prepare for the next year's busy season. They also take this time to check all their tools and machines, making sure everything is in perfect working order for when toy making begins again. Another fun part of life at Santa's workshop after Christmas is exploring new ideas. The elves love coming up with creative new designs for toys. They look at the toys they made the past year and think about what could be improved or what exciting new toys they could create next. You could almost think of it like a big brainstorming party, where everyone shares their ideas and pictures of what the toys might look like. Santa, along with Mrs. Claus, also takes this time to reflect on what went well and what could be better. They read letters from children, looking for feedback about the toys and what kids might want in the future. They make notes and keep those thoughts in mind when planning. It's a bit like doing homework, but in a very fun and magical way. Of course, the North Pole isn't just about work. Santa and the elves enjoy many activities together. They might go ice skating, have snowball fights, or build snowmen. These joyful activities help keep the spirit of Christmas alive all year round. Finally, as the months go by, the days start getting closer to another Christmas season. The elves gradually start making toys again, one by one, as new designs are chosen and plans are put into place. By the time summer ends, they are back in full swing, preparing once more for the magical night when Santa flies his sleigh across the sky. So, while Santa's workshop might be quieter after Christmas, it's never really quiet for long. It's a place of rest, creativity, and preparation, always full of the wonder and magic that make Christmas so special. And now you know the surprising truth of what happens at Santa's workshop once the holiday season is over.